everyone. So now we're heading over to Tumbler Ridge. This little trip's fueled by Tim Hortons. And we are heading back to the Philippines, Tim Hortons, so we do need a sponsor. So yeah, we're heading up to Tumbler Ridge here. It's pretty windy today. We're just on the edge of like the Rocky Mountains here. And as you guys can see here, a little sign of what Tumbler Ridge is. It's a pretty big like park. Tons of waterfalls, I think 40-something waterfalls, dinosaur tracks, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go check out right now. Hopefully we don't see no bears up here, because I know there's grizzly bears in this area. Pretty cool stuff to check out here, some really nice mountain trails and whatnot. But yeah, that's our plan today, and yeah, let's get going. Well, we made it to Tumbler Ridge. We're gonna go gas up and make our way to the biggest falls around, and then start from there and look for some other cool waterfalls. Expensive gas. This is a coal mine I've worked at a few times when I was line locating. Holy shit. Roads are pretty terrible here. This car is not meant for off-road. We're pretty much on the edge of the Rocky Mountains. Well, we have arrived to Canoeso Falls, and this is pretty much the main falls here in Tumbler Ridge. It's pretty windy today, so didn't bring the drone, but I'll try to get some good shots for you guys. Here's some rapids. Check this out, guys. This is Canoeso Falls here in northern BC. Pretty intense. So we're going down to the bottom view now, and there's a little trail along here. Looks like a little pine tree forest here on the side of the cliff. Behind the scenes vlogging. Alright, here we are at the bottom of Canoeso Falls. It's pretty treacherous, this walk down here. It's getting wet and pretty steep. But as you can see, it gets pretty misty down here. Trying to watch my step going down here. It's a pretty treacherous path. But yeah, there we go. Canoeso Falls. Holy, it's pretty steep going up here. Oh. Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, go.
It's like, okay.
Hurry. Oh my god.
Cave is over there?
Yep.
There.
It's just good to know about the rules with bears. All right, we're here at Quality Falls. It's about an hour there and back, so it's not too far. It's probably only a couple kilometers walk, but we are losing light here. It's about 8 o'clock here. This is what 8 o'clock looks like in northern Canada. It's pretty bright still. Sun's still up. Looks like it's only a little bit over 1 kilometer, so shouldn't be too bad. Let's start the hike. Oh, good thing to know. Never approach a bear. Okay. We've already seen 1 bear on this trip so far. Mitchie's a little freaked out, but hopefully we don't see another one. Someone's up ahead. So yeah, pretty nice, peaceful little trail. In northern BC, this is probably like the best hiking area. There's tons of trails. I think 42 waterfalls, so quite a few waterfalls up here. Are you afraid of bears?
Of course.
Yeah, we tried to come down here last time in the winter, about a month ago, and it was completely snowed in, so we didn't have much luck. But now, looks like it's nice and cleared, nice and summerish here. Seemed like it went to summer and just skipped spring. Oh, nice. Got some nice golden hour going on right now. Oh, squirrel's going crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, looks like we made it to Quality Falls. Here she is. And I think you can go down at the bottom there and hike up to it. So we might go do that. Oh, look at this girl breaking the rules. Going across the barrier. My goodness. We found the falls. Now we're gonna go down the bottom and try to do a little hike up to it. Maybe get our feet wet. We will see. All right, we have made it to the bottom, and you can hike your way up to the top and get some cool pictures over there. We might have to do that. Yeah, we'll see how cold the water is. Oh, she's a little cold. She's a little cold. We'll see what she wants to do. Alright, we are all done here at the waterfalls. We're going to be heading home now. I think that's it for this episode, guys. It's pretty loud here. I hope you guys can hear me. But yeah, we are out of here. Thank you for tuning in. It's starting to get dark here, so we're going to start heading home, and we got about a half-an-hour hike back through the woods. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like button, and until next time in more adventures, peace out and stay tuned until next time, guys. See ya. These things are pretty loud. Sounds pretty sketchy. Look at that view. Oh my goodness. Pretty epic. Well, we stopped here at these windmills here. We found a pretty epic view behind us, so we had to stop and get a shot. So that's it for tonight. Stay tuned for next time. See you guys later, and peace out.